Over the past 18 months, I have been impressed by the tremendous work that airmen across the command do every day in support of our Air Force. As we enter a new year, this is a great opportunity to reflect, learn, and grow. As a result of feedback I received from the AFMC We Need, climate surveys, and sensing sessions, it is apparent that some of our airmen have a perception there is a lack of accountability for teammates who fall short of meeting Air Force performance and conduct expectations. As you know, when accountability is lacking, performance, culture, and morale suffer. To better understand this issue, I stood up an accountability task force in October made up of a diverse cross-section of the command. The task force identified accountability issues in the areas of process, education and training, as well as communication that drove some important questions. What are our expectations for accountability? How can we clarify the discipline process? How do we better build senior leader awareness and involvement? Is the current disciplinary timeline appropriate to inspire accountability? Are units sufficiently resourced to enable accountability? Are we providing adequate feedback to individuals who fail to meet standards? And how do we develop frontline supervisors to prepare them for these challenges? I know that's a lot to take in, but these are all important questions to dig into if we are going to improve accountability. As a result, we are moving out with several initiatives. Last month, I directed the stand-up of civilian status of discipline forums at all AFMC installations. We previously used status of discipline to review our military justice issues, and those forums provide data to senior leaders at many levels to ensure military good order and discipline is maintained throughout our organizations. It also provides our squadron commanders a venue to lean in and engage with their peers. The Civilian Status of Discipline Forum will do the same for our material leaders and squadron directors as they address civilian discipline issues. In January, we will kick off a new supervisor training course across the command. The 3-day course will provide foundational training for our new supervisors. This is a great first step in training that will make our supervisors more aware and confident as they embark on their first formal leadership experience. We will use feedback from the initial course to make any necessary changes to ensure it meets the needs of our airmen. We are also reviewing how our squadron level organizations are resourced to ensure the wide array of support a First Sergeant provides to our military-centric units is also available in all comparable units. Finally, we're going to create a one-stop online toolkit. This toolkit will provide our supervisors the reference materials and training aids they will need to better lead their organizations and properly hold people accountable. I acknowledge there is no silver bullet that will fix this issue, but that does not mean we are absolved of the responsibility to create an environment where all airmen up and down the chain of command have the leadership, training, and resources to lead and serve in organizations that embody our core values of integrity, service before self, and excellence in all we do. A culture of accountability takes time, commitment, and constant attention. With your support, we will improve accountability within AFMC. I know we have the right team to make that happen. I leave you with this quote from our core values in the Little Blue Book. Accountability is responsibility with an audience. That audience may be the American people, our units, our supervisors, our fellow airmen, our families, our loved ones, and even ourselves. Accountable individuals maintain transparency, seek honest and constructive feedback, and take ownership of the outcomes of their actions and decisions. They are responsible to themselves and others, and refrain from actions which discredit themselves or our service. Thank you for the work you do every day. Our Air Force is the best in the world because of you. I am proud to work for you and serve with you.